Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom photo widget on your iPhone. So what you want to do is you want to long hold until the apps start jiggling. Once the apps are jiggling, click on the top left for the plus icon. And then we want to scroll until we see photos. So let's scroll. Oh, here it is. Then click on photos. Then you have different options. You can have like one photo, like one photos in a line, or multiple photos like this one. So let's say I want to select this one. You just tap on add widget, then on the top right click done, and once you click on it, it's going to open up the photos. And that's pretty much it. If you want to remove it, long hold, remove widget, remove, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you still have any issues, please let me know in the comments down below and I will do my best to help you out.